Many a time, simple life experiences and conversations teach the biggest lessons. Today's story is about one such experience that actor Shahid Kapoor had shared. The hero of crime thriller web series called Farzi and many successful movies like Urta Punjab, Jab We Met, a very disciplined man in his life, shared this story in an interview. Hi, welcome back to Stories at Work, a series where I share real stories from across the world that you can use when you want to drive home a business point. Our website, storyworks.in, already has over 100 stories, and we are adding one every week. Let's begin today's story. Many years ago, Shahid Kapoor had a whim. He wanted to learn to shoot and decided to go for it. Now, he sought out a highly seasoned coach, a man who had both taught and competed at the national level. Eager to hold a real firearm, Shahid was initially taken aback when his coach handed him over an air gun instead. He was like, "Air gun? I want to hold a real gun. What's this air gun?" he said with a laugh. But then he chose to trust his teacher. Now, inside the range, he began practicing with tiny, almost weightless pellets. Pellets so light that it looked like even a bit of wind could alter their trajectory. Now, as he practiced, to his surprise, his shots were wildly off target. He kept getting agitated and kept trying to, get to the target, but the results didn't change. In fact, they became even worse. His frustration grew. He couldn't understand what he was doing wrong. Finally, he turned to his coach for help, and the answer he received took him by surprise. The coach asked Shahid, "What are you looking at?" Shahid thought that it was a strange question. He replied, "The target, of course." The coach smiled and said, "I don't want you to focus on the target. I want you to focus on your breathing. Focus on firing the gun without moving your hand. Don't look at the target at all." Now, while it seemed completely backward, now how could you ever hit something that you weren't even looking at? But Shahid decided that he should follow that advice. And then something remarkable happened. Every time I focused on the process, Shahid later shared, I hit the bullseye. It was like magic. Now, that moment for Shahid became a metaphor for life. He said, if you follow the process the way it is meant to be, the result is a natural outcome. You can't get it wrong. It's like mathematics. But if you focus only on the result, your brain is not doing what it should be doing, which is focusing on the process. The result happens because your process was right. And result has to happen when your process is right. What a story. Now, there are some great uses that you can put this story to. And I think it's a great story to use when your team gets overwhelmed just thinking about the ask rather than the task, the target rather than how to get to it. If you're fixated only on the distant goal, your mind isn't on the essential step that is right in front of you. But when you focus on the process, when you do the right thing in the right way, results are bound to happen. I hope you enjoyed that story. And if you did, there are over 100 more on our website, storyworks.in. See you next week. Bye for now.